Oh my God. Oh my God.
You can walk all around and you'll find something.
Oh.
But I think Shake Shack is over there.
Yeah, I saw it. Does he eat fries? Fries? No. Oh, he dropped it.
He dropped.
There we go. Anyways, today I'm gonna set up my hatch clock. So I've been meaning to set it up, but I just had it in the corner. I think this is like better, like, because, you know, like back in the day, not back in the day, but I mean, I'm sure people still use alarm clocks, but a lot of people just use their phones. But that way I don't sleep next to my phone. I mean, technically it's on the ground, on the floor when I'm sleeping, but still. Look, I'm not even showing it. I went like this. I took the box off. In here is probably like maybe the charger and stuff. Yeah, the charger, and then this is, oh, like, okay, the step 1, connect to the power cable. I want to try the red light, like if it has like before bed to do some red light therapy, if it has that. It's so cute. Oh, I think this is the front. So I think I have to charge it first. I'm gonna put it right here next to like my light right here, because I have another outlet. Okay, so I actually need my phone to connect to it. So I'll probably do that after. And then I'm just gonna do the steps on my phone to connect to it. Oh no, maybe this is the front of it. Yeah, I'm like showing you the back. Because the back looks cuter with the H. I don't know, but this is the front. Okay, so I put it right here. This is what it looks like. I left the blue on because I was going off like what makes me feel more calm, comfortable right now. But I do want to try the red. The green felt calming too, so but I think I'm just gonna use it as an alarm clock. I didn't know that to pay a monthly fee or yearly fee for like other like extra features they have included in this. And then when I tap it, it'll say the time, the volume's over here. Hello guys, we're going on a little beach trip. We're going to a different beach today. So I'm just like finishing packing stuff, and then I think I'm gonna make sandwiches to go. I don't know why last night I was like, oh, I forgot what we bring. Like, what do you bring to the beach? Like, my mind was going blank. But I packed towels, sunscreen. We don't have a lot of snacks. Last time we brought like a lot of fruit.